Digestive issues and lethargy are some of the most common things we deal with today, so this exercise is going to help move you in the right direction with that. Let's have a look at what to do. The horse stance dynamic is a fantastic exercise for helping building energy and also stimulating the digestive organs such as the stomach and the pancreas and the liver. So if you've got issues in any of those areas, this is a brilliant exercise to help balance those energies. Let's have a look at how to do it with good form. So take a deep breath in as you bring one arm and the opposite leg up and extending the spine like that. And then as you tuck under the body, breathing out again. Make sure that the knee and the opposite elbow cross the midline of the body. So imagine you've got a line going right through your nose all the way down to your belly button. Make sure that they cross that line. And allow the breathing to dictate the pace. So probably 3 to 4 seconds for an in-breath and the same for an out-breath. And the other thing to remember or to incorporate here is to make sure that the elbow remains pointing backwards at your thigh throughout. Don't let that turn out. 3 to 4 minutes of this exercise will leave you feeling refreshed and raring to go. Thanks for watching this week's video. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again soon.